Is crypto in a bull market right now? In this video, I will share with you my personal opinion. Alright, so let's get right into it. But before we do, please let me know down below, what do you think? Do you think that we are back in the bull market, or do you think that this is just a fake pump and Bitcoin will find a lower bottom? Please let me know down below. I'm super curious to see what your opinions are. And besides this, also let me know what your top coins are. What are the coins you enjoy most and you like investing in? Because I'm also very interested in this topic as well. All right, so let's get right into it. What we have here, we have the Bitcoin chart on the weekly time frame. Okay, I will use the Bitcoin chart because we all know that Bitcoin is the mover. Okay, if Bitcoin moves up, the other coins follow. If Bitcoin dumps and creates a new bottom, the other coins will follow as well. So for me, Bitcoin is literally the cover of crypto. I'm not saying that I invest in Bitcoin though. Just so you know, I don't invest in Bitcoin at all. I do love Ethereum, Chainlink, Polkadot. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so every single information in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Okay, so now what do we have here on the weekly time frame? So we can see that from a technical perspective, we could say that we broke a major point of structure right here, which is this 21.5k level. Okay, this was considered the most recent lower high on the weekly time frame. That was broken, and we can see that on the weekly we have a very bullish volume to the upside. All right, on the weekly time frame. So we have a break of structure here. Let's see what the 200 EMA is looking like. The 200 EMA on the weekly is still here, so it still needs to be tested and eventually be broken in order for this chart to confirm a bull market, in my opinion. Okay, so on the weekly, I wouldn't get too excited. When we look at the weekly chart, I wouldn't get too excited because this could literally be a pullback. This could literally be a pullback before another move to the downside. Okay, this could literally be something like this. I'm not saying this will happen, of course. As I said, it is all a opinion game. I'm not saying I'm right. I'm not saying somebody else is wrong. I'm not saying the people that believe that we are in a bull market right now are wrong, because we never know. There's different opinions, and trust me, nobody really knows. Everyone can just share their opinion. You can have your own opinion as well. That is totally fine. In this video, I am just sharing mine. Okay? In my opinion, I don't think we are in a bull market yet. So for me to actually confirm the bull market, I would like the price to break this weekly EMA around here, consolidate above it, something like this, consolidate above it, and then from here I want to see another push breaking 30k. For me, that could be a confirmation. Okay, now we are in a bull market, but till then I'm still overall bearish. Okay, doesn't mean that the market is gonna create a lower low. As I said, this could go the other way around. I'm just presenting my personal opinion. Okay, so now let's continue. So this was the weekly. Okay, we know we have a BOS here. Let's go on the daily and see how the things look like on the daily. And on the daily, we see this massive push with this huge volume to the upside. And to be honest, I expect a retracement. Okay, I expect a retracement because also for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day, or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend to check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. This move right here created some huge imbalance in the market. Okay, so if we look at the left, we can see that we have a pretty strong level here the 25k level, which price is currently at. Okay, so to be honest, if this would continue to the upside, as I said, I would like this 30k level to get broken for me to confirm that, okay, this is actually a bull market. We have to go through this level first. Okay, so to be honest, from here, short term from here, I could see price playing around a bit and then head down till potentially this could be a first stop, and we could see some rejection here before going upwards, or it could literally go towards 17k if it wants to fill all this void, all this imbalance right here. It could literally go towards 17k as well. Okay, so short term, I would predict a retracement, a correction, because as I said, this is just too bullish. This is just too overextended to the upside, in my opinion. And I do think that it should have a retracement anytime soon. Okay, it could either be this level or this right here. Okay, depending on the strength. But again, I might be wrong. The price might literally come from here again, but as I said, whatever goes up has to come down as well, you know, for a small correction. And in this push since start of January, there was no correction at all. Like, for me, this is not a correction. Okay, this is not a valid correction for me. This was just a pause in the market before the market pumped again. A correction has to be something that comes at least here, I would say. Grab liquidity below these candles here and then maybe pushing up if this was a bullish scenario. But again, I'm not really sure. I know there's so many people now mainstream claiming that, oh, we are back in a bull market, FOMOing in, buying this, buying that. They say, oh, 100k next, we are in a bull market. This year, Bitcoin will create a new record. It will break a new record. And to be honest, I'm not sure about it. That's my personal opinion. I don't want to say that I'm a bear, even though I do think that Bitcoin has a higher chance of retesting this low here than breaking 30k, and we are actually in the middle. So that could make me a bear. But in the same time, I do invest in crypto. I still dollar cost average once every 2 weeks. That's when I dollar cost average, because I know that I cannot predict this market. And if I know this, I literally have two options. Option one, to try and gamble basically and predict the exact bottom, which, as I said, is very hard to do. Okay. Or option B, I can just dollar cost average every 2 weeks in the coins that I like. Okay, as I said, I just gave some examples: Chainlink, Ethereum, Polkadot. These are the main ones. And that's what I do every single 2 weeks, just to be sure that I don't miss out. And to conclude, once again, I don't think we are in a bull market yet. Okay, as much as we all hope this market to do well, I still think we are in a bear market. Okay, and unless this 30k level gets broken and proves me otherwise, I will still be bearish for the next months, for the next weeks/months. Okay, so please make sure you're subscribed to the channel to not miss out on future updates like this one. And please let me know down below what your opinion is. I'm super curious to see it. And as always, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.